So you have heard this news.
has decided to cut interest rates.
What is repo rate and what is the benefit of reducing repo rate and what will happen if the repo rate increases and what is repo first of all. So we're going to see everything on this video and what will happen in your lifestyle if the repo rate increases. Repo rate. Repo rate is a interest in which RBI lend money to the commercial bank. Yes, bank also get money from the other banks like RBI. RBI lend money to every bank for that for lending the money like RBI giving loan to the commercial banks. For that it charges some interest that is called repo rate. Okay, so recently we have heard that repo rate has been reduced by 0.25 percentage. So we're going to see what is the effect will apply if the repo rate decreases, and next we're going to see what is the effect will apply after the repo rate increases. Okay, so now we're going to see what will happen if the repo rate decreases. In the current situation, recently the repo rate has been decreased. So let's see what will happen. First, the if the commercial bank getting loan cheaper from the RBI, so they borrow more money. If the more money comes to the bank, so they can lend more money to the people, and the more money the people gets, they spend more, they utilize more, they will operate the business, they start their new business, or they can use that money in the market itself. If the people use money in the market, so the economy will be grow. But there is a catch: if the repo rate is decreased, the inflation will be increased because everyone will have more money. If the money flows to the market, so the prices of the product will be increased because the everything is not unlimited. Everything is has some limits, so the prices of the product will be increased. The price of the product increased, so the inflation will be increased. But there is a benefit that the economy will be grow because the more you people buy, the more money the business get, and more the business money get, they will increase the production, supply, and everything. So the people will get more salary. If the repo rate is decreased, the everything will be opposite. Now we're going to see what are the impacts will happen to the common peoples if the repo rate increase or decrease. So first, the loans and EMIs. So loans will be get if the repo rate decreases, the loans you will have the interest on loans will be decreased. Okay, same same opposite, like if the interest or the repo rate increases, the interest also will be increased. Okay, and it will apply on the floating rate of interest, like you have taken loan on a floating rate, so your interest will be decided based on the repo rate. If the repo rate increases, your interest will be increases. If the repo rate decreases, your interest also will be decreased. That's the things. And second, if you are investing in, like you are putting your money in the FD, so if the repo rate increases, it's like if the repo rate increases, so your FD you will get more interest because company like banks will not get money from the RBI. It uses the money the people had, and it will lend your money to others, so on higher rate, and that's why they will give you the more.